Iguazu Falls, spanning Brazil and Argentina, is a breathtaking network of over 270 cascades. Thunderous waters crash into the jungle below, creating mist, rainbows, and a sense of raw power. Its vast scale and wild beauty make it one of the world's most unforgettable natural wonders. Jog Falls in India plunges nearly 830 meters in for distinct streams, creating one of the tallest and most powerful waterfalls in the country. Surrounded by dense forests and rocky cliffs, its thundering waters and misty spray craft a dramatic and unforgettable natural spectacle. Kayatuwa Falls in Guyana is a massive